guys, Ollie here from Golden Barn Garage. Just wanted to tell you about this TT RS that we've been working on for the last couple of weeks. Customer lives in Gibraltar, over revved it and started having a pretty bad rattle. So he went to a local dealer in Gibraltar that quoted him €26,000 to repair it, which is it's a lot of dough. So he spoke to us, shipped it over to us. We managed to strip it, rebuild it for a fraction of the cost of that. And here we are, I'm just road testing it now. I've been road testing it for about a week now. It's a beautiful car, and just, yeah, going to run you through a few things about it, really. First off, I've got to get some fuel and hope that no one nicks the camera. Also guys, while we're waiting for the road to be clear, the giveaway that we're doing, where you're winning the chance to have your car modified by us here at GBG, where anything from wheels, tyres, suspension, paint job. So it's a big deal for us because we love what we do, so we wanted to offer you guys the chance to have the car that you love, or something that you bought and it is still in the garage covered in boxes, giving you the opportunity and us the opportunity to work on it, because that's what we love to do. Work together as well, work with you to produce something that not only we love, you love. So yeah, you know, get entering guys, go online, check us out, see what we do, you know, really good luck. So anyway, on to the TT RS. As I said before, this is a Gibraltar TT RS. We repaired it for a customer, helped them out. So we're just road testing it, but I thought I'd tell you guys something about it. It's white. It's got 400 horsepower, it's 5-cylinder turbo, handles very well, 6-speed, really nice setup. The interior is wonderful, as are all Audis. Very comfortable, very just sleek, nice. Stereo's good, dials are nice, steering wheel's nice, driving position's nice, very comfortable. I thought, hey, we'll make the most of it, we'll put the roof down and we'll drive. And let's hope it doesn't rain. So we're just going to stretch her legs a little bit. See how she does. It's got a sport function. Here we go. I am just going to pull in here so I can put the roof up because it's raining. Cool. Let's see how she does roof-wise. It's timing. Here we go. Hold on. Here we go. Not being a fan of convertibles, I now feel much more comfortable. So yeah, all in all, a really good result for a customer that lives in Gibraltar. Managed to help him out, get his car back on the road, so that he can enjoy it again and pretty stress-free, you know. And so we're just doing the final testing now, just to make sure it's 100% happy. We've done some wheel alignment, full wheel alignment on it as well, some wheel balancing, just to iron a few things out.